Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Doris Etito. In this video, I'll show you how to cook a delicious bowl of noodles pepper soup. And to make a noodle pepper soup, here are the ingredients you will need. You will need noodles, noodle seasoning, sliced onion and fresh pepper, blended red chili and fresh pepper, boiled eggs, fresh shrimps, scent leaf, and pepper soup spice, either store-bought or self-made. To begin, in a pot of near boiling water, mix in the pepper soup spice. Then add the blended red chili and fresh pepper mix. Throw in the fresh prawns, sliced onions and fresh pepper. Then give the soup a good mix. Cover the cooking pot, then allow to boil for about 2 minutes, just so the shrimps will be well done. Add the noodles and the noodle seasoning. Then allow to simmer for about 30 seconds. Stir lightly to loosen the noodle. Then leave to simmer again for another 30 seconds. Use a pasta spoon to separate any tangled noodle. Then allow to cook till the noodles soften, yet firm to the bites. Grab and slice the scent leaf. Then throw in the boiled eggs and sprinkle the scent leaf into the noodle pepper soup. Stir, then remove from heat. Serve immediately. Noodle pepper soup is best enjoyed while hot. Our noodle pepper soup is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Click the subscribe button, like this video. Please leave a comment in the comment section. Share this video. Thank you for your anticipated subscription. Yes, you that is watching right now. Thank you for subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video. I don't waka.